To check your transaction history on First Security Bank, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the First Security Bank website and click on the online banking option. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts tab on the dashboard. Click on it to view a list of your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, look for the transaction history or recent transactions option. Click on it to view a detailed list of your transactions. Step 5. Filter and download. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down the transaction history by date or type. You may also have the option to download the history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily access your transaction history on First Security Bank. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.